Today we will be observing a population of wild, colorful bears. The color of the bear is controlled by a two-allele autosomal gene represented by the letter B. The orange bears are homozygous dominant, the yellow bears are heterozygous, and the red bears are homozygous recessive. The bears live on their own island in the Pacific Ocean called Gummy Island, where no other bears can access them. When scientists visited in 2017, they observed that there were 8 orange bears, 22 yellow bears, and 20 red bears. The scientists used these observations to calculate that the frequency of the orange bear was 0.1444, and the frequency of the yellow bear was 0.4712, and the frequency of the red bear was 0.3844. In order for a population to be in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, the following requirements must be met. The population must be infinitely large, there must be random mating within the population, all of the individuals must be equally fit within the population, there cannot be migration, and there cannot be any genetic mutations. The null hypothesis is that the bears are in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. After performing a chi-square test, the scientists concluded that they failed to reject the null hypothesis. Unfortunately, in 2020, the island was used as a refueling stop for traveling ships. One of the ships was carrying a predator to the bears that escaped and started repopulating on the island. The predator is colorblind and cannot see the color orange and can only kind of see the color yellow. This means that the homozygous dominant and heterozygous genotypes are favored over homozygous recessive genotype. This violates the requirement of equal fitness for Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. The scientists visited again and discovered that the fitness for the orange bear was 1.0, the fitness for the yellow bear was 0.75, and the fitness for the red bear was 0.65. The unadjusted frequency of the orange, yellow, and red bears was 0.1444, 0.3534, and 0.2499 respectively. The scientists then adjusted the frequencies to equal 1 and found that the new frequencies were 0.1931, 0.4727, and 0.3342 for the orange, yellow, and red bears. The new allele frequencies are 0.4295 for the big B and 0.5705 for the little b. This means that in the future, 42.95% of bears will have big B alleles, and 57.05% of the bears will have the little b allele. Here's my references.